Do you suffer from high uric acid levels? If left unchecked, it can lead to painful gout, joint stiffness, and even kidney problems. But the good news is that you can naturally lower uric acid through your diet. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 foods that help reduce uric acid naturally, and you might already have some of them in your kitchen. Make sure to watch till the end because number 1 is something incredibly simple, yet often overlooked. Let's begin with cucumbers. They are 95% water, which helps flush out excess uric acid from your body. Their alkaline nature also helps balance your body's pH levels. Next up, cherries. These tasty fruits are rich in anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and have been shown in studies to lower uric acid levels and reduce the risk of gout attacks. Celery is another powerful food. It acts as a natural diuretic, helping your kidneys flush out uric acid efficiently. Similarly, lemon water, though acidic in taste, turns alkaline in the body and supports uric acid neutralization. A glass of warm lemon water in the morning can make a big difference. Moving on to green tea, which is full of antioxidants that help prevent the formation of uric acid crystals. Drinking it regularly can support healthy uric acid levels. Then we have berries like blueberries and strawberries. They're packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, both of which fight inflammation and support kidney function. Another great remedy is apple cider vinegar. When taken with water before meals, it can detox your system, balance pH, and help flush out uric acid. Don't forget about your leafy greens. Spinach and kale are rich in chlorophyll, supporting blood purification and kidney health, though moderation is key for those prone to kidney stones. Bananas are low in purines and high in potassium, making them ideal for preventing uric acid crystal formation and promoting elimination. And finally, the most powerful and simplest remedy, water. Staying well hydrated is crucial. It helps your kidneys work efficiently and flush out excess uric acid from your bloodstream. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses a day for optimal results. So, there you have it, 10 natural foods that can help you manage and reduce uric acid levels. Start adding these to your daily diet, and you'll feel the difference in your joints and overall health. Which of these foods do you already eat? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.